Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to cut audio in CapCut PC. To begin, add the video to the timeline. To extract the audio from the video, select the video, right-click, and choose Extract Audio. Now you can start cutting the audio from anywhere. Simply drag the white line to your desired cutting point and click on the split icon. It's important to note that you must click on Audio before Cut Audio. Cutting directly will be cut the video. You can easily move the specific audio segment anywhere on the timeline. To delete a specific audio part, select it and then click on Delete. For noise reduction, navigate to the right side of the interface. You'll find options there. Check the box for noise reduction, and CapCut will automatically reduce the noise. You can also normalize the loudness if needed. That's how you can effectively cut audio in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial has been informative for you. Thank you for watching.